नमस्कार दोस्तों, गुड इवनिंग एवरीवन। पोस्टर प्रमोशन चैनल में आप सभी को फिर से हार्दिक हार्दिक अभिनंदन और शुभेच्छा। आज हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे रूल 39 एंड 40, यानी कि प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन पेपर जो कि 2024 और 2025 में जितने सारे सर्कल्स में इस टॉपिक से रिलेटेड क्वेश्चंस आए हैं उसको आज हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। रूल 39 मेल एब्स्ट्रैक्ट। पहला क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम वेस्ट बंगाल सर्कल 2024। व्हाट इज मेल एब्स्ट्रैक्ट एज डिफाइंड अंडर रूल 39 ऑफ पोस्टल मैनुअल वॉल्यूम 7? Mail abstract is a consolidated statistical record showing details of bag received and dispatched, left side received and right side dispatched. Okay, लेफ्ट साइड फॉरवर्ड बैग्स इक्वल्स टू राइट साइड फॉरवर्ड बैग्स होना चाहिए। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, तमिलनाडु सर्कल, इन विच स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म इज द मेल एब्स्ट्रैक्ट फॉर ट्रांजिट सेक्शंस मेंटेन्ड? इन विच स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म इज द मेल एब्स्ट्रैक्ट फॉर ट्रांजिट सेक्शन? ट्रांजिट सेक्शन के लिए M42 और आपका मेल ऑफिस के लिए M43, सो इट्स बी। Next, Maharashtra circle, in which standard form is the mail abstract for mail offices, transit mail offices? TMO maintained M43 for mail offices. Next question please. The mail abstract is divided structurally into two primary component blocks. Which are they? They are bags received and bags dispatched. Left, right. The mail abstract is divided into two parts. Two primary component blocks means two heads. एक होता है left receipt side, right होता है dispatch side. Next question, when must the mailguard or mail agent completely write up and close the mail abstract for a transit section? कब? Option B, before arriving at the terminal station of the section. Terminal station means where beat ends, there starts the terminal station. So where beat ends, terminal station, that is known as terminal station of the section. Next question, when must the head sorting assistant complete the mail abstract for a mail office? Next question, question number 6. When must the head sorting assistant HSA complete the mail abstract for a mail office? Before closing work for the day या फिर working shift. Next question, if an unscheduled or extra transit bag is handled, where must its record be written into the mail abstract? If an unscheduled or extra transit bag is handled, where must its record be written into the mail abstract? Entered in the appropriate section under the heading of special or extra bags. Next question, who is responsible for checking the abstract totals with the record office registers under typical accounting legs? The record officer, RO. Rest of them is related with post office. Next question, discrepancies in totals or missing acknowledgements in form M42 M43 must be handled by making an entry in which document? Entry in error book. Next question, the number entry relating to the transit bags in a mail abstract is recorded under which category? Transit bags. Account mails no, forward mails no, cashbacks no, though it's due bags. Next question, What action must be taken if a due bag listed in the mail list is not received according to Rule 39 guidelines? It must be shown as short received bag with a note in the abstract and daily report. Next, which parameter does the mail abstract directly monitor for the department? Total finance, no. Option B, quantitative accounting and volumetric flow verification of all due and unusual mail bags. Next question, which kind of following details is strictly not a component entry of the mail abstract? Not a component entry of the mail abstract. Number of due bags received, yes, it is a component. Name of the section or office, yes. Number of dynamic or extra transit bag dispatched, yes. So option C, it is not a component. Next, Gujarat circle. What occurs if an entry in the mail abstract M42 and 43 is erroneously written or requires an update? So the fine line must be stuck though through neatly, the correction added and attested with initials. दिस वन ए तो नहीं होगा, ऑप्शन डी भी नहीं होगा, ऑप्शन ए तो कभी नहीं होगा, तो एलिमिनेशन से भी आप कर सकते हो. नेक्स्ट, द एब्स्ट्रैक्ट फिगर्स एंटर्ड एट द रिकॉर्ड ऑफिस मस्ट परफेक्टली मैच एंट्रीज ऑन विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग? Nominal role of the office, book of postmarks, due mail list work papers, village postman. It's due mail list work papers. The abstract figures entered at the record office must preferably match entries on which of the following? Due mail list. Next, in mail office operations, whose signature validates the correctness of the finalized mail abstract of the shift closer? It is head sorting assistant. Next question, the records of mail abstracts from M42 M43 are bound systematically into files for what purpose? To act as a complete accounting trail for inspection or mismatch resolution audits. ये तो नहीं होगा. इंडिविजुअल ये भी नहीं होगा. To hold a scrap paper of exactly 3 funds, ये भी नहीं होगा. So next we come to rule number 40, exchange of mails. Question number 18, what is the fundamental objective governed under Rule 40 of Postal Manual Volume 7? It's the systematic physical exchange of mailbags between sections, office and carriers. Next, during a manual exchange of mails, what document must always accompany the bags being transferred? Mail list form 1 M1 M2. Next, under Rule 40, who is strictly required to examine the external condition of every single bag during a hand-to-hand exchange? Who is strictly required to examine the external condition of every single bag during a hand-to-hand exchange? It's the receiving official, Mailguard, mail agent, if it's sorting assistant. Next, what structural details must be checked on the exterior of a mail bag during the Rule 40 exchange process? Its seals, cord, dynamic tags, and general safety condition of the canvas. Next, if a bag presented during the exchange is found or has a broken seal, what must be receiving official do immediately? Bring it to notice, note the fault in the mail list, daily report, and get it examined. Next, hand-to-hand transfer receipts taken during the exchange of mails are filed along with which records? Work papers of the set or shift. Next question, West Bengal Circle 2025. What rule path must be followed if the carrier arrives late, creating a threat of misconnection during the exchange phase? Option B, follow the contingency guidelines for alternative transport or immediate dynamic routine. Next, when exchange mails when running with a running section train, where should the mail guard or mail agent stand? कहाँ खड़ा होना चाहिए? Safe and secure at the door of the mail van when the train comes to a complete halt. Not a near engine room, ये तो नहीं होगा. Inside the commercial, no. On the station platform edge before the train stops. So A और B दोनों के अंदर कोई एक ऑप्शन चूज करना है. तो आपको A देखना अब ज़्यादा सिक्योर लग रहा है क्योंकि डोर ऑफ द मेल वैन व्हेन द ट्रेन कम्स टू ए कंप्लीट हॉल्ट. तो मेल वैन यूज़ किया है, यहाँ पे कुछ भी यूज़ नहीं किया है, तो आपको ये एलिमिनेट करना है। इस तरीक़े से एलिमिनेशन प्रोसेस यूज़ करते हुए आपको एमसीक्यूज़ कभी कभी आपको करेक्ट करना पड़ता है। नेक्स्ट, who checks the correctness of the total weight and count entries written on the mail list against physical presence? It's symmetrically both the dispatching official and the receiving official. Next, what is the process of for exchanging a transit bag? Process for exchanging a transit bag TB. It is exchanged intact as a closed bag after checking its external seal stability. ये तो नहीं होगा। kept inside the personal lockers of the mail agent. No transfer without any entry inside the regular mail list. Without any entry कभी नहीं होता, तो ऑप्शन बी। नेक्स्ट, if an extra or unscheduled bag is received during a dynamic exchange phase, how is it verified? It is option B, accepted, written into the mail list as an addition and attested by signatures. Next, what action must be taken if a dynamic mismatch occurs where 5 bags are listed on the mail list but only 4 bags are physically present? What action must be taken? Option B, note the discrepancy clearly on the mail list, secure signatures from both sides and file an error entry. Sign the list for 5 bags anyway to maintain data harmony. Option A will be wrong. Hold the train until the 5th bag is physically generated. It can't be possible. Delete the entries from the computer permanently. It can't be possible. So option B is going as per assumption correct. So sometimes you have to use your brains. आपका दिमाग यूज़ करके भी आप कुछ कुछ MCQs कर सकते हो। Next, who is strictly responsible for providing security over mail bags during the exchange transition at a railway junction? The working guard, mail agent is in charge of the transit assignment. Next, under Rule 40, when empty mail bags are exchanged or returned, how are they documented? They are treated with accounting protocols listed clearly on the mail list and bundled safely. Next, in the exchange of mail with a road transport vehicle, mail bus, what details must be verified on the carrier? The official authority token or identity card of the driver, carrier agent. Yes. Next, what precautions is mandatory when performing a mail exchange operations routine during night hours? Use of proper light focus, careful manual counting, and strict verification of the lock tags. Next question, what form does a mail agent use? Is used to establish an exchange receipt with local post offices? M1, mail list. Next, what core metric determines the systemic efficiency and safety of a Rule 40 mail exchange loop? Complete tally matches across physical counts, seal configurations, and return systemic data without any unrecorded gaps. सो ये रहा हमारा रूल 39 एंड 40। नेक्स्ट वीडियो में हम डिस्कस करेंगे उसके बाद वाले 2 रूल्स। ऐसा ही आपको अगर अच्छा लगा है तो आईपी रेगुलेशन अमेंडमेंट्स के ऊपर भी एक वीडियो मैंने अपलोड किया हूँ, आप जाके देखिए। इम्पोर्टेंट अमेंडमेंट 2025 साल में और 26 में जो हुआ है उसको लेकर ही ओनली एग्ज़ाम पर्सपेक्टिव डिस्कस किया हूँ, ज़्यादा लंबा नहीं किया है। आप जाके देखिए, आप देखेंगे तो ज़रूर फ़ायदेमंद होगा। और अगर अच्छा लगता हो तो प्लीज़ गिव ए लाइक एंड शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब। और अगर कुछ वीडियोस के PDF चाहिए आप मुझे कमेंट सेक्शन में कमेंट कर सकते हो या फिर मेरे डायरेक्ट व्हाट्सएप नंबर पे आप टेक्स्ट कर सकते हो। ऑल द बेस्ट फॉर द एग्ज़ाम। थैंक यू, धन्यवाद, जय हिंद।